Hey everybody, this is Daniel here with Screenly. Today we're really excited to show you how to use Screenly and Databox to display your data dashboards. With Screenly and Databox, it's really easy to get your data showing to the people who need it to make their decisions and make your business run. So we'll jump into it. The first thing is to log into your online Screenly account. If you don't already have an account, you can get started with a free trial. It's free for 30 days, no credit card required. Once you're in, go to the Screens tab on the left-hand side. Click the Add Screen button. And once you're inside, adding a screen, you'll see options to add a screen with a Screenly player, which is a physical device, or with one of our web-based digital signage players where you can display a sign on any device that can display a modern web browser. And that's what we'll be using today. So click Screenly Anywhere. Okay. And now once you're there, navigate to anywhere.screenly.io. And what that's going to open is a pairing screen so that you can tell your Screenly account what browser-based screen is going to be displaying your content. So what you have to do now is enter the unique pairing code. So we're going to enter that now, AGBU. Okay, we'll put that in here, AGBU, and then the last four, TURT, okay, RT. Now note that these pairing code is unique for my screen. You'll have a similar 8-digit one, but it will be unique for yours. So don't just type in letter for letter what I just did. And the name here, we're going to call it our test screen, and we're going to click Add. So it's adding now to your online Screenly account. And how it works in Screenly is you have content, and then you assign that content to playlists, and then you add screens to your playlist. So right now we just added a screen. What we'll do now is we'll add content. So go to the Content tab on the left-hand side of the screen, click the plus new content button on the top right. Okay, and now in this pop-up modal, we're going to click the URL tab. And now we're going to go to our Databox account. And if you're familiar with Databox, just navigate directly to your data board. And we're going to click here on the left-hand side of the screen where it says Data Boards. And we have this Google Analytics acquisition dashboard, or they call it here a data board. And what we're going to do is we're going to hover over and we're going to click the share icon here. And we're going to make sure that it says Enable Public Link. That's super important so that your digital signs can display the link. And we're going to click copy here. Okay, perfect. Now we're going to navigate back to our online Screenly account. And in the pop-up modal here, we're going to paste that URL and we're going to click the finish button. Okay, it's adding our content here. And momentarily we'll be prompted to give it a name. So perfect. So you can see that the data is displaying here on the right-hand side. That's great, and we're going to call it Data Box. We can call it Data Box content here just for placeholder, and we're going to click Save on the bottom right. Perfect. Okay, so now we have our Data Box content here. What we have to do next is create a playlist, and we're going to add that content to our playlist. So click on the Playlist tab on the left-hand side of the screen, and on the right-hand side, click Plus New Playlist. Okay, we're going to give this playlist a name. Let's call it Data Box playlist. Okay, and in the plays on section, we need to determine what screen or screens this playlist will play on. And we're going to select our test screen here and click Save. Okay, for the date, we're going to select the date prior so that it starts playing right now. And in the content section, we're going to click the plus button, and we're going to find our data box content item here, and we're going to click the plus button, and then we're going to click done. We can also adjust the duration that data box content displays. If it's just one content item and one playlist, it will loop continuously, but we can just change that here to 30 seconds just for demo purposes. And then we're going to click save on the bottom right. Okay, perfect. So you've seen a few things here. Now we've added the screen, we've added content, and we've created a playlist. And so now we have our playlist here. We see the content preview, and we're showing that it displays on the test screen. We can navigate to our screen section here and the test screen, and you'll see that that content is queued up to display. And that's it. So if we navigate to our Screenly Anywhere screen, you can actually see that that content's displaying right now, and that can display in full screen on a browser based on your computer or laptop or monitor or smart TV. Really, any device that can display a modern web browser can then display your screen content. So that's it. Thanks for watching our tutorial on how to display Databox dashboards on your Screenly digital signs. We have a ton of other tutorials, so feel free to click on those and watch those as well. Really, our goal is to make it as easy as possible for you to display the content that matters quickly and easily wherever you want to display it. So thanks for watching.